Dharma Wacana Bahasa Inggris Dewasa Putra.
Juara ketiga, Bali.
Om Swastiastu. Good evening, the honorable juries, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let us praise to Ida Sang Yang Widiwasa, the Almighty God. Thanks for His blessing. So, we can be here to join in the Utsawa Dharma Wacana. In this precious occasion, I'm going to deliver a Dharma Wacana entitled Tirta Yatra as the main yajna. Tirta Yatra is an interesting topic to discuss because nowadays Tirta Yatra has become a lifestyle of Hindus both individually and in a community. Individually, Hindus have made Tirta Yatra as one of the long-term programs in addition to perform other yajna ceremonies. Communally, Tirta Yatra has become a compulsory program that must be implemented, starting from family, office, even in the village's community. In Bhagavad Gita, Sloka 7.14 mention, Daivi hi esa gunamai, mama maya durat yaya, mam ewaye prapadyante, mayam etam tarantite. This sloka means, my spiritual power consists of three natural characters, which are very difficult to be exceeded. But to those who have surrendered themselves to God, will be very easy to surpass it. This sloka has a very good meaning for anyone who wants to get closer to God through yajna. After listening to the sloka thoroughly, the question is, why Tirta Yatra is considered as the main yajna? My beloved Hindus brothers and sisters, literally, Tirta Yatra is a Sanskrit word that consists of two words, Tirta and Yatra. Tirta means holy water or sacred water sources, such as pond, river, or lake. Actually, Tirta is the representation of water. Tirta or water is one of the main elements in this world that has the ability to purify themselves. That's why Hindus believe water could purify their soul and body. Yatra means holy journey or pilgrimage. Hence, Tirta Yatra is a holy journey with a sincere intention to the holy places in order to obtain holy water. Commonly in Bali, Tirta Yatra means tangkil or visiting several pura or temples and do the worship. Ladies and gentlemen, since a long time ago, Tirta Yatra had actually been implemented by the Hindus. In line with prosperity enhancement, more holy places or temples had been visited. Hindu people realized that Tirta Yatra is the easiest yajna, that everybody can do it. Bhagawan Vaisampayana advises to Prabhu Janamajaya has mentioned in Sarasamusjaya Sloka 279. Sada daridrai rapihi, sakyam praptum naradipa, tirta bigamanam punyam, yatsnerapi wisisyate. It means, Tirta Yatra is the holiest yajna that can be implemented even by daridra or poor people, as long as it's based on sincere heart. Ladies and gentlemen, Tirta Yatra is not an ordinary journey to sanctify those places, but to improve our belief in the truth of Hinduism, to increase our devotion, and to admire the omnipotence of God with all His manifestation or Ista Dewata. Ladies and gentlemen, Hindu people have three ways in order to believe their belief, called Tri Pramana. Namely, Agama Pramana is the belief based on information or thought from teachers, savants, and saints who have experienced the belief. Anumana Pramana is the belief based on analysis of the natural phenomena surrounds us. And Pratyaksa Pramana is the belief based on our own eyesight and spiritual experience. Then, which way the Tirtha Yatra is included in? Well, during Tirtha Yatra, the yatri or the participant will hear the story about holy places they have visited. They will experience the natural phenomena and will see directly the omnipotence of God. That's why Tirtha Yatra is completely included in Tri Pramana. My beloved Hindu brothers and sisters, in Hinduism, there are 4 ways leading us to God called Chatur Marga, namely Bhakti Marga by prostrating to God continuously, Karma Marga by doing noble deeds sincerely, Raja Marga by doing self-restraint tapa, brata, yoga, and samadhi, and Jnana Marga by devoting our knowledge for the good of other people. All those ways are relating each other to get the aim by sincere, diligent, and resignation. If someone has subtle feeling and has perseverance in worshiping God, then Bhakti Marga is worth. Bhakti Marga embodiment is doing yajna and praying diligently and continuously. One of them is by doing Tirtha Yatra. Ladies and gentlemen, Bhagavata Purana, Skanda 7, chapter 5, Sloka 23, explains 9 forms of devotional service or bhakti to Ida Sang Yang Widiwasa. Those 9 forms are called Nawa Vida Bhakti, namely Sravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam, Dasyam, Padasewanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Sakyam, and Atmani Vedanam. During Tirtha Yatra, the yatri will hear the story of holy figures and the sacredness of visited pura or temples. This called Sravanam. While worshipping, the yatri through and through sing the holy song to adore Ida Sang Yang Widiwasa. This called Kirtanam. The yatri doing meditation and get focused to Ida Sang Yang Widiwasa by doing puja Trisanya and Panchasambah. This called Smaranam. The yatri always curb their ego, called Dasyam. Padasewanam, when the yatri praise Ida Sang Yang Widiwasa by prawn on God foods. The yatri praise Ida Sang Yang Widiwasa through pura, archa, or pratima. This called Archanam. The yatri adore Ida Sang Yang Widiwasa by his manifestation or Istadewata. This called Vandanam. The yatri believe that God always with him, just like a friend. This called Sakyam. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, the yatri truly surrender themselves to God, called Atmani Vedanam. Whole Tirtha Yatra activities is the embodiment of Nawa Vida Bhakti. That's why Tirtha Yatra is a prime yajna. My beloved Hindu brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to conclude the previous discussion of Tirtha Yatra. Tirtha Yatra is not an ordinary journey to pray, but it contains self-control and self-restraint. The purposes of Tirtha Yatra are to improve our holiness of faith, to strengthen our belief to the Almighty God, and to broaden our horizon of Dharma, thus strengthening the practice of Dharma. Ladies and gentlemen, Tirtha Yatra is the embodiment of Chatur Marga and Nawa Vida Bhakti, and also lead us to Trikaya Parisuddha. Therefore, Tirtha Yatra is the main yajna. So my dear brothers and sisters, to reach the noble goal of Tirtha Yatra, let us do Tirtha Yatra sincerely full of bhakti, not just lifestyle for self-image. The honorable jurors, ladies and gentlemen, that's all my Dharma Wacana. Thank you very much for your kind attention. I do apologize if there are any mistakes in my Dharma Wacana. Hopefully, in this Dharma discourse is useful to improve our Sraddha and Bhakti. Om Santi, 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 Om.